and religiosity. The biggest enemy of our Christian life is, or the biggest enemy of our spiritual life is religious spirit. Yung mukhang may Diyos, pero wala si Lord. Religious spirit. An ephod was traditionally used by priests to inquire of God, often using the Urim and Tumim. The Israelites treated Gideon's magnificent golden version as a super relic, substituting ritualistic devotion to an object for true spiritual obedience. Yun po yung tinatawag na religious spirit. All Israel prostituted themselves by worshiping it there, and it became a snare to Gideon and his family. No sooner had Gideon died than the Israelites again prostituted themselves to the Baals. They set up Baal, buried as their god, and did not remember the Lord their God, who had rescued them from the hands of all their enemies on every side.